So we are here going into motion graphics of the title editor, and let's just choose this by dragging it down to the timeline or double clicking it, and you can see it on the timeline. I don't want it over there, so let me double click it and start to edit this out. Click OK. For this one, you can see that my background picture works just fine, so let's just cancel this out, X this out, and go back to the picture-in-picture. Let's go and create an object. As you can see, this doesn't highlight. It has the ability to highlight. So let's work back on our picture of motion graphics here. Double click it. And we now have no background. I want to be able to edit out this text. If I click on it, I constantly get this window. I don't want to close it out now because I may want to have this later on to see what other things that it ties to. So over here, if you open up the windows, your title, you could edit that. Put just some ones in there. The PowerDirector, we can edit that, put some twos in there. And by cyberlink, we'll put some threes in there. You do have to explore to see what you can edit and not edit. It seems that they can open this up so we can edit our own shapes and designs, but they don't. They subject us to what's available. We could change the fonts to whatever fonts we want, make it bold and a different color. We could change the position by raising it left and right, that's the X, up and down, and that's the Y. The scale, we can expand it, width and height together, uncheck it, and just do one or the other. And if we want to rotate it, we don't have the ability to rotate with a slider, but just by the scale. We should have the ability for a slider to rotate, or simply grab the green and do it a lot quicker and decide what angle you want. Again, we have the file, the edit, the view, and the playback. Nowhere in here do we have any keyframing like we have with the other, with the objects. So once we're all finished, we click OK, and then you have your titles down below. You're limited to the 14 titles once again. So I hope this update to motion graphics was helpful to you.